Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Aidit bin Ridwan. My ID number is 572142242225. My lecturer's name is Sir Sairul. Today I want to present about my project in subject Artificial Intelligence. Code number is JCB 33703. So my project title is Heart Sound Classification Using Transformer Encoder. Alright, for next slide is data set overview. The data set used in this project in the PhysioNet CINC Challenge 2016 dataset, which is contains phonocardiogram, PCG, heart sound recordings. This dataset is widely used in biomedical research, which for heart disease classification tasks. So, in this dataset have 3,000 above, and it consists of two main categories, which is normal, abnormal heart sound. Normal sound represent healthy heart condition, while abnormal sound may indicate issues such as small or irregular blood flow in the heart. In addition, each recording has different lengths because the data is collected in real clinical environments. Unlike clean laboratory datasets, this dataset contains noise such as breathing sounds, patient movement, and environmental interference. This made the dataset more challenging but also more realistic for real-world application. Segmentation strategy. In the segmentation strategy, the main goal is to split long signals into smaller segments so that the model can better understand heart sound pattern. So the method used in sliding window segmentation, which is signal is divided into fixed length segments, typically between 2 to 5 seconds. We also apply around 50% overlap so that important information is preserved between segments. This approach is important because heart sound has repetitive structures such as S1 and S2 cycles. With segmentation, the model can learn about local pattern within each cycle more effectively. Next slide is pre-processing pipeline. If you can see, this slide show the flow of my project. So the pre-processing pipeline start with raw heart sound signals. First, the signal is resampled to ensure a consistent sampling rate across all data. Then a bandpass filter is applied to remove unwanted noise such as breathing sound. After that, the signal is normalized to maintain consistent amplitude scaling. The signal is then converted into a MEL spectrogram, which is represent time frequency information. Finally, the data is segmented using a sliding window approach before being fed into the transformer model. Next slide is filtering. Filtering signal go through several important steps before being fed into the model. First, all signals are resampled to ensure a consistent sampling rate. Since the original dataset contains variation, then bandpass filter is applied to retain only heart sound frequencies, typically between 25 and 400 Hz. This helps remove noise such as breathing sound and external interference. So after that, the signal is normalized so that all data are on the same scale. The signal is then converted into a MEL spectrogram because it is more suitable for deep learning models such as transformer. So the lastly, padding or transition is applied to ensure all inputs have a uniform length. Next slide is data split strategy. For the data split strategy, the dataset is divided into three main parts, which is training, validation, and testing. The training set is used to train the model so it can learn about patterns in the data. The validation set is used for hyperparameter tuning and to prevent overfitting during training. The testing set is used to evaluate the final performance of the model after training is complete. In this project, we use 70% training, 15% validation, and 15% testing split. Additional stratified splitting is applied to ensure that both normal and abnormal classes are balanced in each subset. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum. Thank you.